Hi everyone! Today we're diving into the vibrant world of alcohol ink markers. If you're new to these markers or looking to refine your skills, you're in the right place. We're going to explore how to get the most out of alcohol ink markers, from basic introductions to blending techniques and tips on caring for your markers. Let's get started. Introducing the Maxxliner, Pacific Arc's premier alcohol ink markers. This artistic medium is beloved by artists for their bright, vibrant colors and the way they blend so smoothly. Unlike water-based markers, alcohol ink markers are designed to dry quickly and leave behind rich, even tones. They're perfect for everything from quick sketches to fully realized artworks. Most alcohol ink markers come with two tips: a chisel tip for broader strokes and a brush tip for detailed work. In this case, the Maxxliner comes with a broad chisel tip and a fine point nib. This makes them incredibly versatile, whether you're working on large areas or refining the smallest details. One of the most exciting aspects of using the Maxxliner markers is how beautifully they blend. Let me show you a few techniques that will help you create smooth gradients and stunning color transitions. First, always start with light colors and work your way up to the darker tones. This prevents the darker ink from overpowering your lighter hues. You can also use something called a blending marker. This is a colorless marker designed specifically to smooth transitions between colors. Another technique is feathering, where you lightly overlap two colors to create a gradual fade. You can also experiment with overlapping strokes to create soft, blended edges. With practice, you'll be able to mix and match techniques to achieve unique effects in your artwork. Taking care of your alcohol ink markers is key to keeping them in top condition for long-lasting use. Let's go through a few simple tips to make sure your markers stay vibrant and ready for use. First, always cap your markers tightly after use. Alcohol ink can evaporate quickly, which means your markers might dry out if left open. Secondly, if you notice the nib is starting to dry, try storing the marker horizontally to ensure that the ink stays evenly distributed. This can help make sure that you get the longest life out of your markers. Let's go over some more marker techniques. There are so many ways to get creative with the Maxxliner markers. From stippling to hatching, you can experiment with textures, layers, and shading. Here's a quick guide on some techniques you can try. Switching between broad chisel tip and the fine tip is a great way to add depth and detail to your work. You can easily fill large areas with the broad tip and then refine the details using the fine point nib. You can also use many other traditional art techniques used with other mediums to create variation and unique patterns to add depth to your work. Try experimenting with different techniques and styles to create eye-catching artwork. Now, let's talk about blending. Blending is one of the best ways to make the most of the Maxxliner markers. You can layer colors to create smooth gradients or blend two contrasting hues to form new shades. Now that we've covered the basics, let's put these techniques to use and create a piece of art. Watch as I use a combination of blending, layering, and fine details to bring this drawing to life. And there you have it, a deep dive into Pacific Arc's Maxxliner, our premier alcohol ink markers. From blending techniques to marker care, I hope you've learned something new today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite alcohol ink marker technique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.